Okay, guys, so just looking at DOT and doing some daily analysis on this as we've been doing for the past week or so, really since the turn of the year, um, which really coincided with this becoming extremely interesting. If we take a look back here, so 28th of December, we really started this incredibly steep upward trend that we're tracking here on the daily chart. As we can see, there's been some incredibly kind of bullish momentum going with this. Which culminated in between the 3rd and the 4th of December, hitting this psychological support barrier of $10.5. We can see the alpha prime is starting to kind of draw this resistance line in here. As we can see, we got rejected quite hard here, and we came all the way down to this support line of $8.69. And what we found is that this upward trend line, along with this upper resistance of 10.5, has created this very kind of bullish ascending triangle. So having hit 10.5, we've bounced down to the bottom end of the trend line, where we put in this 8.69 support, and then we've bounced up and down ever since. Earlier today, we again made a very kind of bullish move. This is a move of about 9%, culminating again in bouncing off this $10.5 resistance. And I would anticipate from here that we're going to come back down, hit the trend line, and then break out. In the short term, I think that we're going to see the $11 mark being a significant point of resistance. Again, those psychological round numbers, especially when you're at all-time highs. Longer term, I think if we kind of look down here on the RSI, we can see that we're coming in from a position of being kind of significantly overbought. And I think what we can expect to see here is that this movement towards being oversold should encourage, a lot more buys to come in, and that should hopefully add momentum to this, upswing. Longer term, therefore, I expect to hit about $15. We'll be doing this every couple of days and having a look at dots because it's very exciting, with some very kind of bullish long-term predictions of up to, prices up to around $100. So let me know what you think, and if you've got any questions, just ask.